The Obama administration is delaying the deadline for Americans to sign up for health insurance. The rollout has been disastrous and technical problems still plague that website created for uninsured people. Meanwhile, reports millions of Americans who were happy with their current health insurance are losing it or seeing their premiums skyrocket. A grace period for Americans to sign up for Obamacare. Monday, the White House granted a 6-week extension, pushing the deadline for uninsured Americans to sign up for coverage to March 31st. But lawmakers from both parties say that is not enough. Republicans and even some Democrats now are calling for a 1-year delay in penalties Americans will face if they remain uninsured.
There should be a suspension because there are too many problems, not only with the enrollment, but with the mandate, the taxes, the fees, and the penalties.
Meanwhile, a new report from NBC News states the president knew ahead of time millions of Americans would lose their current insurance coverage. In 2009, the president promised if you liked your health plan, you could keep it. But NBC reports even Obamacare regulations from 3 years ago admit that 40 to 67% of customers would not be able to keep their policy. Wyoming Senator John Barrasso told ABC's This Week that millions of Americans are discovering what the president promised isn't true.
The president made promises that this was going to be cheaper than your cell phone bill, easier to use than Amazon, and you could keep your doctor. People all across the country, George, are seeing that's just not true.
Estimates of how many people could lose insurance range from 7 million to 16 million.
As Americans find out premiums are higher than they were promised, I think you're going to see more and more frustration build, more and more Democrats and Republicans calling for delays, for repeals.
Lawmakers vowed to continue pressing the White House for extensions. But millions of insured Americans should expect to get letters in the mail about premiums going up or their coverage being canceled altogether. Meanwhile, the White House is pushing hard to get healthy young adults to buy coverage through Obamacare. That's how they plan to lower the premium prices.